In this video, we're going to demonstrate the use of switch cases in MATLAB as a cleaner, more maintainable way of doing things that you often see done with if-else statements. Notice in this if-else statement, we set a variable n to -1. MATLAB checks several if-elses to find the value and responds with the correct result. How would this work if we use a switch? We're going to switch based on the variable n, again. Basically, the switch block tests each case until an expression is true. When the case is -1, display -1. Otherwise, the second case will try, then the third. If none of those are true, we're going to say otherwise and display something else. If I run this, we see that it returns the correct value. If I come here, change our value to 8, and run it again, we see that it goes through and displays the otherwise portion. Switch cases are useful when dealing with strings. Let's look at an example using plots. We're going to switch through various plot types. Using cell arrays, you can combine both cases for pie charts, allowing multiple inputs to trigger the same case. Here, pi and pi3 both work to display the desired chart. Switch case expressions can't include relational operators, such as less than or greater than. If you're looking to test for inequality, if-else is a better option. Switch cases offer a cleaner and more efficient alternative to if-else statements. For more information on the topic, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.